What you'll find when you pull this cable out is you see that it's going to go underneath our floor mat here, and it's going to go right underneath where your feet sit. So you get water, dirt, gunk, everything else. And if you have a problem with your shifter cable and you're doing this repair, it's probably broken. The sleeve is damaged, and so the cable's not sliding properly inside. That's what happened when we pulled this out originally before Kyle broke the last cable. Kyle broke this cable earlier, and we had to zip tie it in. That's one of the reasons it's getting replaced while we're doing this transmission. First step is to remove the driver's seat, and then you're going to want to roll the carpet back. In our case, we've already got the carpet out of the way, so it's not creating an issue. Then you have to remove the lower dash. You're going to need to remove the lower dash so you can get into the shifter cable. If you follow this cable along, it's going to go underneath the steering column. You'll see a clip that connects to the steering column there, easy to remove. And then there's like this wing section that goes through a hole. It comes up and it connects to the shifter right there at the top. That little plate that's in front of the shifter will have to be removed so that we can get in there and get that thing out. 7mm bolts hold these in. Pops right off. Now we have access to pry this part off. Get a flathead screwdriver. You're going to take this little horseshoe clip out. Just a little horseshoe. Kyle's got the top pushed down, pushed the bottom down already. Get both wings secured to the center, and then we should be able to just pull this thing right out. Kind of a four-handed operation. Doing it with just one guy is kind of a pain, so grab one of your buddies for just a second to get this thing out. Follow the cable around. You'll see why you need to remove the seat, because it's actually going to go underneath it. Your carpet will be in the way. You'll have to pull that out, and then it's going to go into that rubber grommet right there and underneath to the transmission. If you're replacing the cable, don't worry about the rubber grommet, because the new one comes with a new grommet. This is where the cable came through that grommet we just talked about. Moves up and into the shifter right here. This part often comes out of alignment, and this is the part you might need to adjust if for some reason you can't get your truck into park or into reverse or drive or 3, 2, or 1. Got another horseshoe clip here. Stick that screwdriver in there and just pop it out of the way. Then you'll have the same 2-wing pressure type of clip as we showed underneath the dash. I am going to now stick the new cable into the hole. Kyle, are you down there? You can grab this cable?
I am.
Okay.
Oh, stop. There we go. They put this little tab in here. Once you get this thing set, you need to push this in to clamp it in place, otherwise it breaks the whole deal. So we'll leave that tab in there now. We can come back in just like that. This is that part we're gonna push in now. Tim got that top portion all hooked up. Just need to get a metal clip up there, but otherwise it's good. So this white piece pushes through, and then this black piece holds it in place. That's what it looks like on the other end. It's gonna be really hard to see all that up there. But if you scoot your eyes right here, there we go. That piece slides back. That is now locked in place. It's not going to go nowhere.
Gotta hook this thing up to here. And then back in here, this clip that Dale and Kyle were struggling with down on the bottom, that is equally as challenging to get to on the top. You have to do the same thing with that guy. Because I'm trying to do this one-handed, I'm probably going to do it off camera real quick.
The clip little guy here, you have to be in the exact position I'm in.
Just showing your positioning in this whole mess.
And then you can finally get that clip pushed in just like that.
Maybe I'll use some Gorilla Tape. No, really what we're going to use is we'll use Dynamat or knockoff Dynamat to hold everything down when we put this thing back together. But for right now, it's just going to be the seat. What Kyle wants me to do here is risk life and limb. We have the truck up off the ground. I'm going to put it through all of the different gears and the 4-wheel drive functions to make sure that it is shifting doing all the different things, blah, 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 blah.